So today I'm going to do my hair once again, and I'm going to use the brand Vidal Sassoon in the shade Midnight Muse Blue. So I've never used this brand before, so this will be interesting. And it says ultra vibrant color outside of the salon. It's a very gorgeous blue on the box. It's very shiny and it's got a really gorgeous blue tint to it, so I'm really hoping it turns out just as gorgeous as it shows on the box, but you never know until you try. So yep, I have 2 boxes of this. So this is what you get in the box. You get your developer, you get your color, you get your instructions, and your gloves. So I'm gonna use a bowl and a brush, and I will show you how I color my hair. If you don't want to see how I do it, then you could just fast forward to the end and just see the results. I normally give my intake throughout the process. If it smells too strong, if it starts burning my eyes, I will let you know throughout the whole video. And at the very end, if you really don't want to sit there and wait and see what comments I have to say throughout the video. But if you want to see how I color my hair, I'm just going to be fast forwarding it through so that you can see that. But yeah, let's get started. So you want it mixed pretty good like that. It's a very thick consistency, which is good, which means less of a mess. It's not, I lied. I was about to say it's not that strong now, but as soon as I got it up to here, my eyes started watering. So it is pretty strong. There is like a little bit of a floral scent to it, so that's not bad. All right, so I already have my hair sectioned into 2 sections, like it's half done. So I like to start with going around the perimeter of my head and then do the top. It's not that strong of a chemical scent, but once you get it close to your face, it'll start burning your eyes a little bit. It's not as bad as another brand I've used, but still, it does sting your eyes a little. Okay, now that that is done, I'm just going to take my extras, the extra color, and then just put it in spots that I feel like it needs it the most, like on the ends or like around my head again, which I always do twice because you never know, you might miss a spot. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna wait 30 minutes and then I will blow dry my hair, or wash it out, blow dry my hair, and flat iron it, and then I will let you know what the results look like and what I think of the color and all that. But so far, so good. The chemical smell is bearable. If you get it close to your face, it will make your eyes water, but it's not terrible. So yeah, so far so good. I will wait 30 minutes and I will let you know my thoughts and the rest of it. All right, hey guys, I'm back. I am in my half bath because it's the only place that I can get good lighting, but you can definitely see the gorgeous blue. You can sort of see like some purple, but it definitely picks up blue. Like, oh my god, look at that. Gorgeous. So I definitely recommend this. I don't think that it's that bad of a color. I didn't really have high hopes for it, but since it's not really a brand that you hear a lot of, I didn't think it was going to be as good as it was. The only downfall was that my hair felt dry, and that's it. Like, it's definitely a really gorgeous color. Very blue. That blew me away from the moment I was just sitting there waiting for it to develop, and I was pleasantly surprised at how blue and dark. Like, when I was washing it out, normally it looks black with a little bit of a blue purple tint. This was blue, like dark blue, and a little bit of like violet mixed in. So it was definitely blue, very blue. And I think it definitely picks up the blue hues very well with the light. In different lighting, like obviously darker light, it's gonna look jet black, and then in sunlight it's gonna look blue. So I definitely I really like it. I definitely love it. It looks really pretty. The only downfall is that my hair feels a little dry. I can fix that with a few hair masks, and that'll be no big deal. That'll be yesterday's news. So yeah, that's the only thing. I mean, it did burn my eyes a little bit, but that was when I got really close to my face. It just made my eyes water. It didn't like, it only was for like a couple minutes until I got my hair up and put it up, and then it was good to go. Nothing extreme. Unlike my last video, that was pretty bad. It's this smell, it did have a chemically smell when I was putting it into the bowl, but then once I mixed it with developer and I started like doing my hair, it started smelling more floral and fruity. I kind of smelled blueberry. It just wasn't that bad. It was kind of pleasant. But other than that, it was not overpowering. Like, you can definitely do it in a low ventilated area if you don't have like a fan or anything in your bathroom or that many windows or anything. Like, it's not gonna kill you. I got mine at Walgreens. You can get it at Walmart. I don't know if every Walmart carries it, but I got mine at Walgreens because my Walmart did not have the color. They had every other color but it. I didn't have high hopes for this though, because it's not a brand that you normally hear of. So I didn't think it would be as good as it is. So yeah, I definitely would recommend giving it a shot if you see it and you like it, and you see, like, if you like the color results in this. I would definitely recommend it if you have it in your area or at your local drugstore. Then yeah, definitely pick up a box and try it out for yourself. But that's about all I have to say about it. It's pleasantly surprising that it's not a brand that you hear most of out there that has such a good color payoff. I mean, we'll see how long it lasts, but so far I love it. It does stain, like it definitely does stain your head. You can see everywhere I did it, but it definitely, and I got it on my hand, it definitely will wash off in a few days. But yeah, so if you liked this video and you like the color payoff and you want to see more, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and you'll see more videos from me. If there's any other brand that maybe I missed or I don't know of that are drugstore that have blue black, let me know if you want to see me do that brand. Leave me a comment below and I will check it out. Alright, have a good day, guys. Bye.